Good morning, everybody, or good afternoon, wherever you are. So, today I wanted to talk about spending, productive ways of spending money, because I find that people around me that are usually younger than me, I'm 41, usually misuse their finances, which later they then regret because later when they want to do something productive with their life, they realize they don't have the capital or the savings to obviously pursue something that is productive. So let's expand on how to spend your money productively. So, spending your money productively would be buying things that actually appreciate, that are not liabilities. So, what appreciates? Appreciating assets are things like, say, for instance, property, shares that are relatively low risk, or stocks for that matter, and could be anything that's old. You might buy an old prestige car, or you might buy something antique that appreciates, or a business. Business obviously carries some level of risk, but nevertheless, if it's a calculated, obviously, spend, then it will yield. And so they're the things that are appreciating assets and productive spendings. Things that are depreciating is over consumeristically buying lots of clothes, designer label, eating out way too much, um, and I don't have anything about buying clothes when it's necessary, but buying overly exuberant things continually, they're just depreciating. You designer label clothing, most of the times, if it's just contemporary stuff, it depreciates. You buy it the next day, good luck getting anything close to what you got it for. Um, Going out and eating at exuberant restaurants, nothing wrong with doing it every now and then, but if you're doing it continually, like, at the end of the day, you're just eating it and shitting it out. It's you got nothing to show for it other than a photo, which most people now are taking, with their meals, um, and other things that are depreciating. Obviously, going on way too many holidays. Nothing wrong with experiences. Nothing wrong with going on trips, getaways. But when you're going out on way too many outings beyond your means. And don't get me wrong, some people make money out of going on holidays. They're vloggers, they're travel bloggers, they're productive trips, they're business trips. And business trips and leisure trips, two different things. So if you're going on business, that's fair enough. But if you're going and you're blowing a whole bunch of your finances, then it was